All right, what we have here is a 1997 GMC Yukon. Well, this applies to every vehicle that's on the road that's gasoline. Vehicles got to maintain a fuel air ratio of 14.7 to 1. Now, 14.7 is how much air to every 1 part of gasoline to keep your vehicle running like it should. Now, your car makes adjustments. It can't adjust the air. It only can adjust the fuel by adjusting how long the fuel injector stays open. So basically, the oxygen sensors measure how much unburned gas is coming through the exhaust, and it tells the computer if it need to make the fuel mixture leaner or richer. Now, you got two different types of fuel trims. You got a short-term and a long-term fuel trim. Long-term is what the vehicle has did over a long period of time. Short-term is constantly changing to try to keep that 14.7 to 1, trying to keep everything balanced. Now, when you do have any type of check engine light, but it don't matter what it's on for, you don't supposed to clear that code out, because anytime your check engine light comes on, it saves data called freeze frame data. I'll show you right here. I got a Maximus scan tool, which is a pretty nice scan tool from Matco Tools. Can't see it. But this vehicle has fuel trim codes. It's running rich on bank 1 and bank 2. Now, if I go to the freeze frame data, let's see right there on bank 2. This shows you what actually was going on when the check engine light came on. The engine coolant temperature was 183.2 degrees. That's good. Engine load, they really didn't have any load on the engine. Probably just a little above idle speed. Now you look at this long-term fuel trim, 15.29, a negative 15.29. That means the car is trying to take away fuel for to compensate for either too much fuel or not enough air. Now I'm looking at all these numbers, and you see the short-term fuel trim, negative 1.18. So it was trying to make adjustments to take away fuel for some reason. Now, that information is very important for you to actually do diagnostics when it comes down to finding fuel trim error. Even if you have a vehicle that customer complaining that is burning too much gas, you can look at the fuel trim and see if the car is actually running lean or rich. Now, GMs, most American cars, they use like this percentage like this. Now, I'm a Honda technician. I would tell you Honda runs at 1.0. Anything above 1.0, that means it's actually adding fuel. Anything below 1.0 is taking away fuel. Like you had a 0.80, the car is taking away fuel, trying to make an adjustment for a rich condition.